Hey guys, so we picked up this OMC Mustang 1700 skid steer about probably now a month ago. Just trying to fix up any little problems it has, which there are a lot of them. But the old bucket was just really worn out, and we really want to use some other attachments on there. Didn't have the quick attach, so we don't really want to have to try and pin on and pin off everything and weld up custom plates for every attachment. So I wanted to build a adapter so that I can use it with the universal skid steer quick attach. So what I ended up doing right here, these are actually the plates that were welded to the back of the old bucket, and so I took that 2-inch square tubing, it's got 1/4 inch wall thickness, and welded it to the old brackets, and then cut them out so that nothing really moved around. Don't have to worry about respacing anything. And then so they have that nice flat front face. Have to weld and grind a little bit. Some marks where I had to cut it out of the bucket. But then I went and got a universal quick attach adapter. I got this big plate. It's I think a 3/8 inch steel plate because the machine came with a backhoe, which we're going to adapt that as well. But these quick attach couplers basically just had to grind the paint off half of them, then took 3-inch square tube, 1/4 inch wall thickness, and tacked it on to the sides of them to space it out. And then I'm going to weld these, once they're at the correct spacing, straight to these plates. And then, because if you look, that bolt sticks up higher than spring, I'm going to have to cut a hole in the back of here and recess that through. I think it's actually going to end up being right here in this weld hole, so that'll be kind of nice. But I will keep you guys updated. Thanks.